The health benefits and uses of jute leaves, also known as Saluyot leaves. 1. Jute leaves come from the Corchorus Olitorius and have been used in traditional cooking for many years. These have some excellent health benefits for the body. 2. These are common in Asian and African cooking and are used to flavour delicious soups, teas, stews and vegetable dishes. They have a wonderful flavour and are an excellent source of beta-carotene. 3. Beta-carotene is converted to vitamin A in the body, which is excellent for keeping the eyes healthy, protecting them from vision problems with age. 4. In some regions, these leaves are used as a herbal remedy to help control blood pressure, prevent high cholesterol, and to keep the heart healthy. 5. This herb is also rich in vitamin E and various antioxidants. These help to prevent wrinkles and promote youthful-looking skin. 6. When jute or saluyot leaves are cooked, they gain a slimy texture, which helps the stomach and digestive system to flush out waste. 7. They can be mashed and applied to the skin to treat arthritis and joint pain. This paste can also be applied to the temples to reduce headaches. 8. The stalks of certain varieties of this plant are also used to make rope, pulp and paper in industrial products. 9. In Nigeria, the leaves are prepared in a sticky soup called Ewedu alongside shrimp and sweet potato. This is also similarly prepared in Uganda, known as palabi. 10. They are also used in the Philippines and are mixed with bitter gourd, loofah and bamboo shoots to create delicious recipes. 11. Polyphenolic compounds within the leaves have also been linked to preventing the growth of cancerous tumours. 12. Saluyot tea or jute tea can be made by steeping half a cup of dried leaves in 1 litre of boiling water for 10 minutes. 3 to 4 cups of this can be drank per day as a herbal medicine. 13. Other nutrients include calcium, iron, protein, vitamin C, thiamine, riboflavin, niacin, folate and dietary fibres within this vegetable leaf. 14. In Cyprus, the leaves are added to stews and are commonly known as Molokheya. This is usually served with lamb or chicken dishes. 15. To learn more about herbal medicine and natural foods, please see our other videos. Thank you very much for listening. A like is always appreciated, and remember to subscribe and tap the bell for more healthy videos. I wish you great health, wealth and happiness.